Hi, welcome. In this video, I will be giving you tips on how to blend in and make friends as a new immigrant in Canada. It could be quite taxing as a new immigrant or as a newcomer to develop a sense of belonging. Unlike where you're coming from, where you have lots of friends, family, neighbors, and you are familiar with a lot of people. If you're coming from Nigeria, for instance, where we live more like a community, Canada is sparsely populated. It will be quite difficult for you to have a sense of belonging and make new friends. Research with international students in Western society have continually shown that despite international students' desire to engage socially with domestic students, the level of multicultural interactions is low. A lot of barriers hinders international students from associating with their domestic students, such as language, culture, and physical barriers. When you move to a new country, it can be challenging for youngsters because they are trying so hard to blend into the system. Here are some tips to help you blend in as an international student. Joining a club at Canadian International High School is a way to meet people aside from the classroom. Newcomers can pursue their interests in art, robotics, social life, etc. by joining a club and meeting people with similar interests. Join a sports team, leadership team, or any kind of team. Say yes to activities because it helps you meet new people and also engage socially. Be yourself and do not try to fit in. Look for people with same goals, styles, and vision with you. Hang out in the library if you are looking for friends that like to study. If you like K-pop or anime, hang out at after-school clubs. Arrive to class early. You can have conversation with classmates and also ask for their social media. Visit popular hangout spots on the weekend like the mall and recreational centers. Lastly, deal with negative childhood trauma through counseling or spiritual therapy. Hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.